Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Today we are here to discuss Static GK International Questions for CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website crackyou.in and you can download the previous papers there. As we are having CMAT crash course, it includes day-wise schedule and all the important topics. The price for CMAT crash course is ₹1,999. We are having CMAT mocks as well, which is ₹299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. BG oil refinery is located in, the correct answer is C, Iraq. So BG oil refinery is in Iraq. The International Monetary Fund is located in, the correct answer is D, Washington. International Monetary Fund is situated in Washington. Bangladesh was created in, the correct answer is B, 1971. The full date is 26th March 1971. Let's check the next question. Land of the morning calm refers to, the correct answer is B, South Korea. So the western name Korea is derived from the Koryo dynasty which ruled the country from 918 to 1392. Who among the following is the first woman to enter into space? The correct answer is B, Valentina Tereshkova. So on 16th June 1963, Tereshkova was launched on a solo mission aboard the spacecraft. She spent more than 70 hours orbiting the Earth 2 years after Yuri, first human crewed flight in space. Where is the headquarters of United Nations Security Council located? The correct answer is D, New York. So the Security Council meets in the designated chamber in the United Nations Conference Building in New York City. Let's check the next question. Which city is also known as the Big Apple? The correct answer is A, New York City. New York is known by many nicknames like City That Never Sleeps or the Big Apple, etc. Which is the biggest center of the world's diamond trade? The correct answer is A, Antwerp, Belgium. So Antwerp is the undisputed diamond capital of the world with 84% of the world rough diamond and 50% of cut diamond. 84% rough diamond and 50% cut diamonds. Passing through the city attracts international traders seeking the highest quality diamonds. Let's check the next question. Which country makes Panama hats? The correct answer is A, Ecuador. Let's check the next question. Which among the following is the world's largest milk producing country? The correct answer is A, India. So India is the largest producer of milk, followed by United States of America, China, Pakistan, Brazil, etc. And India producing 146.31 million ton milk. Let's check the next question. Name of which of the following shoe brands is derived from a wildcat found in Americas? The correct answer is C, Puma. Which is the largest stock exchange in the world? The correct answer is A, the New York Stock Exchange, that is NYSE. The international treaty, namely NPT, is related to dash. The correct answer is C, nuclear weapons. The main objective of NPT is to prevent the spread of nuclear weapons and weapon technology. Let's check the next question. As per the American Declaration of Independence, the true meaning of freedom of speech is referred to. The correct answer is A, citizens' right to express their views. So the First Amendment guarantees free speech, though the United States, like all modern democracies place limits on this freedom. Who actually wrote the Declaration of Independence of America? The correct answer is C. Thomas Jefferson. The world famous Borobudur Temple is situated in, the correct answer is B. Indonesia. So the temple compound is one of the greatest Buddhist monument in the world and was built in the 8th and 9th century AD, and it is during the Sailendra dynasty, and this temple is located in Kedu Valley in the southern part of center of the island of Java, Indonesia. Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? The correct answer is A. Australia. The reef is located off the coast of Queensland, Australia in the Coral Sea. There are 3000 individual reefs which are visible from space. How many members are present in the Sri Lankan Parliament? The correct answer is D. 225. The Friendship Highway is a road that connects China to dash. The correct answer is Nepal. So the Friendship Highway, that road connects to China to Nepal. This highway is 800 kilometer or 500 miles. What was Komagata Maru? The correct answer is C. A naval ship on voyage to Canada. It's a group of people from British India attempted to immigrate to Canada in April 1914, but most were denied entry and forced to return to Calcutta, that is presently we are saying Kolkata. Hope this video will help you in your preparations. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.